Good morning. I'm Laura Schweizer at the WKRN.com alert desk. Two women are behind bars after selling a stolen dishwasher on Facebook Marketplace. According to arrest affidavits, 28-year-old Julia Query and 31-year-old Lacey Stone broke into a Hermitage home back in September. Multiple items were stolen, like a brand new microwave, faucet, dishwasher, and a paint sprayer, all totaling about $4 grand. Days later, the victim found the stolen dishwasher listed on Facebook Marketplace and arranged to meet up and buy back the dishwasher. That's when detectives placed an alert on the woman's car. Just yesterday, police pulled over one of the women, who then admitted to stealing the items, selling the dishwasher, and selling the remaining items for $80 in heroin. Both were arrested. Remember, News 2 brings you breaking news around the clock at WKRN.com.